trip in our favorite avalanche, zooming through the roads to the secret place.
We're going into the Hunter Acre Woods.
Oh, yeah.
It's very dark. We don't know where we'll get out. We may have to get to the chopper and get down.
How do you get What if we get lost?
Who knows? If we get lost, we get lost. If you die, you die. It's whatever.
What if you get eaten by a bear?
That's a good possibility.
Are you trying to do the Arnold voice? You better come down back there. What are you looking for, Brooke? You looking for bears? I don't see no bears, do you?
What kind of bear?
Why am I being quiet? Jackson. Hey, Jay. Where do you think we're going? Where's this secret place?
But I hear water. Is it a waterfall?
I don't know. I guess we'll see. Where do you think we're going, son?
I know.
You don't know? Where we going, Brookie? Do you know? You don't know? Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
You excited?
Yeah.
You want to race?
Yeah.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hurry.
I'll do this. Do it. There's a picture like of Papa like that. I want you to do it. Now do cheerleading. Liberty. Now do the. Put your legs up. Do it. It's just like being up in the air as a cheerleader. Come on.
Come on.
Do it or get down. All right, jump.
All right,
1,
just jump.
2.
Jackson's turn. You ready?
Ready? Jump. 1.
Let go, Mama. Is that cool?
Yeah. Look at it.
What do you think, Brookie?